What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a good day today. I'm working here on the Coleman CT100U mini bike. We're going to get to work on it today. First, I'm going to start by taking off the pull start, and we're going to look at that because it's seized up. We're going to get started with the pull start. Okay, so we're going to do this a little different than you're really supposed to. All my bolts on the pull start are all threaded out. And they won't come out. So we're gonna take off this whole black ring that's around the pull start, and take off the air box and stuff. So let's get started. Okay, all the screws are off, so I'm going to take this off and see what's in here. So it looks like one of these plastic pieces broke, but I don't think that's the cause of the problem. Let's see if we can get this off. Okay. think we found what we wanted. There's a chip of this metal in that broke, and that is probably why our pool starter is not working. And there's a big gouge right there, and it looks like it's been destroyed a little bit by that piece of metal that I found, because it was wedged in here, and I think that slid out, and that's why this is damaged and won't work. So we're gonna figure that out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that fixed, but we'll figure something out. Okay, so I don't know how much more digging there is to do in this bike. It seems pretty torn up. The metal's pretty bent. And there's plastic shards everywhere from this plastic disc that was in the pool start. So I either have two options. I can buy an electric kit that I can put on this and make it an electric bike, or I can try to find parts for the ones that are broken and try to get it running nice and smooth again. But leave a comment down below what you think. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.